Medications play a crucial role in managing our health. It's important to understand what we take and why we take it. Knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions about our well-being. This knowledge helps us communicate effectively with our healthcare providers. Ultimately, understanding our medications leads to better health outcomes. Taking the time to learn can make a significant difference. Let's delve into the specifics of one such medication: bupropion. Bupropion is a medication with several important uses. It's known by the brand names Wellbutrin and Zyban. Doctors prescribe bupropion to treat depression. Additionally, it's used to help people quit smoking. Bupropion falls under a class of medications called antidepressants. It works by influencing certain chemicals in the brain. These chemicals play a role in mood regulation and other important functions. Bupropion acts on two neurotransmitters in the brain, norepinephrine and dopamine. Think of neurotransmitters as messengers that carry signals between brain cells. Norepinephrine is involved in alertness and attention. Dopamine is associated with pleasure and reward. Bupropion helps to increase the levels of these neurotransmitters. By doing so, it helps to improve mood, reduce cravings, and alleviate other symptoms. Section 4. Who can benefit from bupropion? Bupropion can be a valuable treatment option for individuals with depression. It is also beneficial for those who are trying to quit smoking. However, it's not suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions should avoid bupropion. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can determine if bupropion is right for you. They can also discuss potential benefits and risks. If you're interested in learning more about bupropion, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. They can provide personalized guidance and support. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more informative content and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.